Our next element we have is label. If you want to label something, label means if you want to tag something with some names. So what you can do here is, like if I want to write something above that what this buttons are controlling, I can change this label name from here. This is the property section of this label. I can write motor control recipes, okay, or if you have anything else you can write suitable tag. This is motor control recipes. I can change the font, the color and the background color of this label by here. This is the font size. I can make it 19 so that I can visually see what is this motor control recipes, okay, like that. If I want to change its foreground color, I can do that here. I can change its text color, okay, this is totally acceptable. I can change the background color from here, go to white, so I can have this black as my label color. So this is like you can label your elements in the SCADA screen at various places. You don't have to tag it with any address. You don't have to tag it, okay? So you have to make sure that whenever you're taking a label, don't worry about tagging this. It will work as it is. And this is the last program. Okay, so now this button automatically says that this is used for motor control recipes. I hope this makes sense. So this was about labels in the SCADA screen.